Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Subtitle Edit and creating a new project with your video loaded. First, set the correct frame rate and language so timing matches the source. This prevents drift later. Next, import your transcript or existing subtitle file and place the video in the preview pane so you can watch while editing. Once done, confirm audio waveform is visible for precise syncing. Make sure autosave is enabled and you have a backup, because you'll edit timings immediately after import. You now refine timings using the audio waveform and spectrogram to place cue points exactly where speech begins and ends. Use split and merge tools to manage long sentences so each subtitle stays readable. Aim for 1 to 2 lines and 17 seconds per cue. Adjust lead-in and lead-out by small increments to avoid overlap. This keeps reading natural. Once timings are solid, edit the text for clarity, run spell check, and normalize punctuation and capitalization so the viewer reads smoothly. You finish by exporting the file in the required format with UTF-8 encoding and then testing it in the target player or platform, watching for sync or rendering issues. If you notice consistent offsets, apply a global shift or rerun frame rate conversion to match the video container. Small drifts can indicate mismatched FPS. Finally, inspect styling and positioning if using AS. If something still fails, check codec compatibility, or reload the video and re-verify waveform alignment as one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.